Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn 3 dua that is related to etiquette of sneezing in Islam. We are also going to answer the question regarding when non-Muslims sneeze and they praise Almighty Allah, what are we supposed to say to them? Firstly, the first dua is Alhamdulillah, where the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Iza atasa ahadukum falyakuli alhamdulillah." When one of you sneezes, let him say Alhamdulillah. All praises and thanks are due to Allah. The second one, وَلْيَقُلْ لَهُ أَخُوهُ أَوْ صَاحِبُهُ يَرْحَمُكَ اللَّهُ, and let his brother or companion say to him, يَرْحَمُكَ اللَّهُ, may Allah have mercy upon you. This is the second dua. The first one is for the person that sneezes. We say Alhamdulillah, and the listener, the person that heard him saying Alhamdulillah, will tell him, we say Yarḥamuka Allaah, may Allah have mercy upon you. Remember, if somebody sneezes and does not say Alhamdulillah, you can tell the person to say Alhamdulillah. If he does not say Alhamdulillah, you are not going to say to the person Yarḥamuka Allaah. The third dua, فإذا قال له يرحمك الله فليقل يهديكم الله ويصلح baalakum. Then if he says to him يرحمك الله, meaning if somebody sneezes and thank Almighty Allah and the listeners say to him يرحمك الله, he will reply Yahdeekumu Allaahu wa yuṣliḥu baalakum, may Allah guide you and rectify your state of affair. This is the third dua. The first one, let's try to go back to the first dua again. Alhamdulillah, somebody that sneezes, while the listener we say Yarḥamuka Allaah, Yarḥamuka Allaah, and the person that sneezes again, we reply Yahdeekumu Allaahu wa yuṣliḥu baalakum. Now, what is the ruling? What do we say for a non-Muslim when he sneezes and praises Allah? We say to the person that sneezes and praise Almighty Allah, if he or she is a non-Muslim, Yahdeekumu Allaahu wa yuṣliḥu baalakum. We ask for guidance from Almighty Allah for the non-Muslim if he sneezes and praise Almighty Allah. If he sneezes and does not praise Almighty Allah, we are not going to say to them anything regarding the dua among these 3 dua. So far we have covered the 3 short dua. The first one Alhamdulillah, the second one is Yarḥamuka Allaah, and the third one is Yahdeekumu Allaahu wa yuṣliḥu baalakum, which is also the dua we say to non-Muslim that praise Almighty Allah after sneezing. We should not forget to memorize these 3 dua, because in some cases you may be the one that sneezes, where you have to say the first one and the third one, or you will be in a place where somebody sneezes and praise Almighty Allah, where you only say the second one, which means Yarḥamuka Allaah, may Allah have mercy upon you. Please, we are going to stop here. More Adhkar will be coming, inshallah. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe for the channel for more Adhkar. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.